Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the GDC is powered and updated. This prevents odd behavior. Once done, choose the mode matching your task, normal for arithmetic, scientific for trig and logs, graphing for functions. Next, clear memory or reset registers so old variables won't interfere. Then enter your first expression directly. Use parentheses for order, decimal points for floats, and the variable keys if needed. Make sure angle settings, deg or rad, match the problem before proceeding. Now you move into processing more complex expressions. Pick functions from the menu rather than typing long names to reduce errors. Use the SDO key to save intermediate results to variables and RCL to recall them later. This helps when solving multi-step problems. Chain calculations with ANS or by nesting parentheses to preserve precision. For graphing, enter the function, set an appropriate window, and use trace to inspect points. Make sure to switch off unnecessary modes like complex or exact mode when not needed. Finish by confirming your result. Compare numeric output with an approximate mental check so you catch obvious mistakes. If the device supports export, save the session or take a screenshot for records. When done, clear temporary variables and return to default mode to avoid confusion next time. If the calculator behaves unexpectedly, perform a soft reset first. If problems persist, reinstall firmware or perform a factory reset after backing up data. One key tip: check batteries and update firmware before deep troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.